This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures and the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Say again, this is not a test. At 5 a.m. CDT, there have been multiple reports of people turning on giant Shih Tzu-like creatures in all 50 U.S. states, including Alaska and Hawaii. These creatures are causing massive damage across the United States. These creatures look like normal pet Shih Tzus, but are much bigger, stronger, and faster. If you somehow approach one or more of these creatures, run away as fast as possible and get to shelter. Stand by for this message.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
All clear. Repeat, all clear. The Shih Tzus that have been causing terror across the United States have died. It has also been confirmed by the FBI that a virus had turned victims into these creatures. The virus has also been exterminated. We now return to normal programming.